Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're doing one of my quick unboxings, and this time we're going to be looking at a double screen waterproof budget camera. Now these are one of those non-name brands that you find on eBay. So basically I was sent this in this black box with no branding on it. So I'm going to do an unboxing, show you what you get from one of these cameras, and then later on I'll follow it up with a review. Anyway, let's go and have a look and see what you actually get from this budget camera. Okay, so the first thing is a manual, which is quite good, and it is in English, which is helpful, so it's got all the information on operating the camera and everything. Next is the all-important USB to micro USB charging cable and data transfer cable. The camera does take a micro SD card, but instead of having to take it out, you can just plug it in with this, so that's quite handy. Next is this little pouch. Basically, this is just a little carry case for the camera so that you've got something to protect it. You also get a little strap or lanyard for the camera, which is quite good. And finally we've got the camera itself, and as you can see it's a very bright yellow colour, but it does come in other colours, but I like the yellow so I got that in. Now it is a non-branded camera, there's no branding or any name, it's basically sold on eBay as a waterproof dual screen camera. And as you can see you've got a screen on the back and one on the front so you can do selfies. Now this video is basically just a preview of this camera. I am actually going to do a proper in-depth review going through the features and the image quality of it. So until then, as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.